What's going on, folks? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today we're going to be doing a teardown and a look at the Tech1 Dollarama wireless charger. So wireless charging is the thing of the future, and wireless data transfer is also a thing of the future. I think either the next iPhone or the one after that is no longer going to be able to, you're not going to be able to plug it in, you just use wireless. And of course, there are advantages and disadvantages to that. So once again, really nice to have wireless charging. And there's so many phones these days that come with wireless charging as an option, but not all wireless chargers are the same. This one comes from the Dollarama, $4, and I have a very difficult time getting it to charge anything. If I take the case off of my phone much of the time, I can manage to get it to charge, but it is just not doing it at all right now. Now you can tell if it's working. You get the red, and it goes like red blue. There you go. Okay, so if it does that, it means it's starting to charge, apparently. But you know, I'm not seeing it. Maybe I have to turn it on and it'll tell me. Okay, so red blue. It does not say it's charging. So next up, let's do a teardown of this sucker. Now I've done multiple things to see if I can get this to work. Sometimes I can get it to work, but it only works for a very short amount of time. I've tried all the other units. I've tried my iPhone 8, and that did not work. It looks like to get in here, I'm probably going to have to deal with some clips. So, just give me a sec. Oh, I was wrong. Phillips head screws in the bottom of the feet. Who would have thunk it in this day and age when everyone's going with clips? Alright, give me a sec. So that's what it looks like on the inside. Looks like I accidentally broke a backplate piece that I believe was probably a magnet. No, there's the coil of copper. Goes around and around. Probably should not try it now that I've broken it. But that's what we got on the inside. Let's see if there's anything interesting on the other side. So, this has been a teardown of a wireless charger. Doesn't look like we got a whole lot of copper here. And I'm kind of surprised that the copper's so insulated. Usually if I see copper, it's just copper, not insulated inside a copper. It's not particularly long either. What can I use as a reference point? Where are my bananas? I'm going to be getting another one of these in and tearing it down, seeing if it works any better. But definitely not all that big when compared with... Oh, here's a Lego man. That'll give you an idea. Not too much on the inside. Not too much on the inside. Anyways, that was some fun. The Tech1 wireless. Definitely wasted my money on this. I would not recommend it. I've tried it on multiple phones and it's not doing anything very good for me. Anyways, that's it from me, folks. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Always appreciated. And as always, take care of each other.